All right, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny,
I'm Dylan.
and this week Dylan's gonna walk us through his mid 2021 portfolio update. It's gonna be fun.
Absolutely, yeah.
I'm excited.
Oh yeah, let's do this. So, basically, I'm chilling at about let me get that 64,166 after this devastating dip from February. Oh boy,
Yeah,
look at that. 39,654. Now you can't actually see, but this actually hit 35
jeez.
because that was the low of the bottom. Yeah. So it's been coming up. Essentially, my account is broken into like 85% long with some high risk stuff, and then like 15% swing trade. And I was doing the math, and if I had like done the opposite percentages, I would be at like a way more money.
Nice.
So I gotta switch my percentages here and do less long, because my swing trading, like for instance, when I hit 30, 39, or it was the low of 36 here, I was like almost at a breaking point. I'm like, I don't even know what to do. And I looked over my journal of all my trades. I'm like, man, I'd be at like 26 right now if I hadn't done the journal. Oof, that would have been really depressing.
Yeah.
And in here are some huge mistakes. I had a big loss on plug. I think I lost like $6-7 grand or $5 grand, one of those. Two more stocks where it was right when we started our channel, and I didn't follow my own rules. And I'm like, man, everyone can see this. I'm an idiot. I really need to follow my own rules. And since then, I've been swinging really, really well. But my port, as of right now, there's no year to date in Robinhood because that's too convenient. So if you do the math, January 4th is there. I'm at 24.4% gain. The SPY is at 15.68. So I'm doing pretty well.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I'm hoping to hit 50 was my goal. I hate this on Robinhood. Crypto,
I know.
altcoins, and cannabis. I'm not in any of this crap.
I know. Stupid things you have to swipe away every time.
So here's my long call options. I've been doing less of these because I believe the market's going to take a dip here within the next 5-6 months. So I'm in the process of closing these out, but they're all I think FCX is my negative one. I didn't set a stop loss because I'm an idiot. I think it's down it's down $500. Great for me.
When does that expire?
Let me go back.
November 19th.
November 19th.
Yeah, you might still be okay, honestly. I think FCX is going to continue to do well throughout the rest of the year.
Yeah. And then my HD, PGR, these are all doing pretty good. I'm up 14% on my Home Depot call. My Progressive, I'm up 20%. I got a couple of those options. My Bank of America, I'm up almost 50%.
Nice.
Let's see, JWN up 14%. Airbnb, I'm still waiting on this one. This one's still down 17%, but I really like the chart. So these are kind of more my swings now. Most of this stuff down here is actually long with some swings, but Fubo, 34% of my portfolio.
Wow.
Yeah, and I've only made 1,400 because I bought here.
Yeah.
No, wait, sorry. I bought at 32. I bought during this, and then I just cried a lot for all of this.
Yeah.
So
that closely matches the shape of your overall portfolio. Not surprising based on the percentage there.
Yeah, it kind of does actually.
Yep.
Yeah, it actually does, which is it's weird because I have a lot of other losses that aren't in here that my swing trades covered up. So it looks like my swing trade saved me because I had some stupid losses. PLTR, I hate this position. I'm really mad at myself. See our position sizing thing or video, because this is in direct violation of that. I don't necessarily believe in this company. Why I have $16,000 on it is called cost averaging. So, and that's also against one of my rules. Not a fan.
Yeah, definitely throwing good money after bad.
I don't. I'm so mad at it. I do like AMD. I'm in AMD for at least till it hits 100. My market value is around 13,000. It's been hovering around my buy point for some time now. So I did have some AMD calls that I made some money on. MU, this is I did the stop loss order, Vinny. And then it was good for day, not good for the 90-day period. Yep. So I'm down $242 on a thing that I was literally just trying to swing. And it was all the way at the bottom of, because, these display first on my phone and I can like see these two. Didn't see this.
Oh boy.
Great.
Yeah.
So fantastic, right?
Yeah.
I am long Baba, Apple, JD. I'm going to hold on to those, as well as TAP. My cost average on TAP sucks. I'm cost average of 59. What are you, Vinny?
I don't know. It's lower than that for sure, though.
I think yours is like 52.
Probably.
Of my swings, I still have Square, which is a share swing, not a long call. So I'm up $124 on that guy. I think it's going to hit 250 here soon. X, I actually downsized from 70 shares. I was at like way more, and I was partially as it was going up. And I just kept a little bit of it because I wanted to, I don't know, I swung it like 5 times, and I feel emotional with it now. I don't want to lose all of it. So I kept 70 shares. And Space, there we go. Space is absurd. I'm up 158% on it. I had 100 shares. I've been partially starting at 35, like 10 shares here, 10 shares here, 10 shares here. I'm probably going to exit down to 10 shares left on Monday because the news has already happened on this guy. So
yeah, one of those buy the rumor, sell the news kind of deals.
Yeah, I'm going to exit out most of that. And that is pretty much where I am right now. So I have all these calls. This is my favorite new strategy for swing trading is I buy a call, it hits 50% and I sell.
Yeah. Did you see the comment on our out of the money swing trade strategy with call options?
Maybe. What was
it? Yeah, it was just posted yesterday. It was like a really long, detailed explanation of how someone uses that strategy, and it was like very well said and thought out. And I was very impressed.
Is it what I'm doing?
Basically, yeah. I just thought it was like, oh, someone put it together concisely in a comment. Definitely should check that out.
Yeah, I will. Or you can back up, Vinny. You're good. Yeah, I will. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad I just started doing this on this channel. I had never even thought about it. I didn't really understand options. So because we started this channel, I was trying to increase education, and I just wanted to be able to learn more. So it's definitely, I did a swing video not a swing video, an outcome video of this strategy. And I was up like $1,000, and now I'm up a lot more than that. But yeah, I'm really digging that strategy.
Nice. I love it. Hey, that's what it's about, is evolving and growing as an investor. We all change our times. I'm going to start doing more technical analysis on my charts based on stuff I've learned from you. So exactly. I love it. Okay.
Yeah. Also, I do have an ASPS call. What's that guy's name?
Jake Bro, Broe.
Yeah, he threw out a very, very, and you're in it too, right?
Yeah, picked up 200 shares. Yeah.
Actually, do you want to talk about it? Because I don't know what I'm in. I just bought 2 long calls.
So it's they process foreclosures. That's what their business model is. They do other things too, but predominantly they process foreclosures. They've been out of business, basically out of business, right? Because they haven't done any foreclosures in the last year and a half. So Biden announced that formally July 31st, the foreclosure moratorium is ending. So they're going to have probably a decent uptake in their business from 0 to $1 million, because there's quite a significant backlog of homes that are kind of behind on payments, unfortunately.
Got it. Okay. So just to be clear, I usually do some research, but when Vinny, who trades very little and is very precise, says, "Hey, I'm going to do this," I'll just be like, "Okay, you know more than me about that." I'll just throw it in.
Yeah, Jake actually released a whole video about them, calling them like 10x stock potential. A little clickbaity, but it's honestly true. Back in like 2014, their peak was like $160 a share, to give you an idea of like they're at 10.
I have an October 15th call on them.
Yeah.
So.
They're likely not getting back there. Plus, this is the other interesting thing too, is the share number of shares outstanding is basically half what it was back in 2014, because they bought back shares over the years. So if you were to look at from a market cap standpoint, you'd be looking at the company basically being up over like 30 times if it were to attain that sort of valuation. I don't think it's going to, but there's certainly a decent amount of upside potential and kind of like the short to medium run here. So over the next, like, I would say 1 to 2 years. So it's an interesting play. I gotta shout out to Jake for recommending that one, and it sounds interesting. I like it.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna throw out my 2 worst trades. So just so people learn, if you look at the plug chart, I bought it like 60, and then I didn't sell till 40. Genius. That was a stop loss going through. I lost like $6,000 on that one. And then my other worst trade is actually a trade I didn't take because I stuck with AMD. And I actually recommended it as like, even the swing video, I always say I take all my trades. And even I put NVIDIA, didn't have the capital. And I did all the analysis. I looked at all the stuff. I'm like, man, this is going to go up really high. AMD will probably follow him. Nope. So that is my second worst trade. It's a trade that I did not take. It was literally free money. I literally said it's free money in the video, and I stuck with AMD thinking they're going to trend with them, and they didn't.
Oh, boy. That hurts a little bit, but hey, what are you going to do?
Yeah. All right.
We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Have a good one.